Hi, I'm Julie Swann. Welcome to the panel on upstream supply challenges and their downstream implications. Unfortunately, everyone knows what supply chains are now, as we have seen that they impact the availability of our day-to-day consumables and the products that we so need in emergency medical situations. Today, I'm delighted to introduce our panelists to you. We have Dr. Matthew Downham, who is the Sustainable Manufacturing Lead for the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness and Innovation, or CEPI. We also have Mr. Rasmus Bech Hansen, Chief Executive Officer of Airfinity. And third, we have Mr. Daniel Rodriguez, Procurement and Supply Manager at PAHO, the Pan American Health Organization. Welcome, panelists. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you,
I'd like to